Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the car safe and accessible. Park, set the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electronics glitches. Once done, use a plastic trim tool to pry up the center console cover around the gear lever. This prevents scratches. Make sure to find and remove the 3 to 4 hidden screws under rubber mats or trim caps so the shifter surround can lift free. You're removing only what obstructs the knob, keeping wiring intact for the next step. Now you'll expose the knob connection. Depending on your BMW, either release a retaining clip or unscrew the base to free the knob. Work deliberately and keep clips and screws in a magnetic tray so nothing vanishes. If the OEM knob has an electrical connector for buttons or LED, unplug it carefully. Note connector orientation so reassembly is exact. Fit the new knob or adapter, aligning splines or threads, and press or thread it into place until it seats snugly. This ensures correct shifting feel and prevents slippage. With the new knob installed, reseat the trim and reinstall screws in reverse order so panels align flush. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, and then test gear selection with the engine off to confirm smooth movement through park, reverse, neutral, and drive. Make sure any electrical functions on the knob work. If something feels binding or the knob rotates, stop and remove the knob to check spline alignment and that the retaining clip is fully engaged. If problems persist, verify connectors and fasteners are correct and tight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.